Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening vouchers in Tally Prime and immediately locating the invoice you must cancel. Use the voucher list filters, type, date, voucher number to narrow results fast. Once the invoice appears, highlight it and note the voucher number and series so you don't touch the wrong entry. Make sure you're in proper company and accounting period before proceeding. This prevents accidental changes. Now that you have the correct invoice selected, prepare to enter alteration mode to perform the cancellation. Once the voucher is open, enter alteration mode using the keyboard shortcut for your tally build, commonly Alt+E or Control+R, so you can edit safely. Change the voucher status to canceled if available. If not, zero out quantity or amount and add a clear narration stating cancellation with date and reason. After editing, press Alt+S to save. Immediately confirm by viewing the voucher again and checking the audit trail or voucher history to verify the cancellation mark. Finish by validating the cancellation across ledgers and stock statements. Run the relevant reports to ensure totals reflect the change. If you cannot cancel, make sure your user role has the required permission and that you are in the correct accounting period. Tally restricts edits across closed periods. If numbers still misalign, consult the audit or alteration logs to trace edits, and, if necessary, revert or create correcting entries with narration. This single troubleshooting step solves most permission or period-related blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.